So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link your debit card to your account on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Wallet. Once you're here where it says Banks and Cards, go ahead and press on Add New. Then go to the bottom and press on Debit and Credit Cards. And then scan your credit card or enter your card info. So if you have a picture of your credit card in front of you, you can scan your credit card, or if you don't have that, you want to type it in manually, press on enter your card info. So once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and type in your credit card number, the expiration date, the CVV number, as well as the billing address, and if all that looks good to go, go to the bottom, press on link card, and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to link your debit card to your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.